To use iCloud passwords in Chrome, you need to have an Apple device with iCloud Keychain enabled and the iCloud Passwords extension installed in your Chrome browser. First, ensure you have iCloud Keychain set up on your Apple device. This involves going to your device settings, selecting your name, then iCloud, and finally turning on Keychain. Next, you need to install the iCloud Passwords extension in Chrome. You can do this by going to the Chrome Web Store, searching for iCloud Passwords, and clicking the Add to Chrome button. After installing the extension, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. This will link your iCloud Keychain to the Chrome extension, allowing you to access your saved passwords. To use the extension, simply click on the iCloud Passwords icon in your Chrome toolbar. Then select the login you want to use. The extension will automatically fill in your username and password for the selected website. It is essential to note that for the extension to work, you need to be signed in with the same Apple ID on both your Apple device and the Chrome extension. Also, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on your Apple ID for an extra layer of security. To manage your saved passwords, you can go to the iCloud website, sign in with your Apple ID, and access the Account Settings section. From there, you can view, edit, or delete your saved passwords. Best practices for using iCloud passwords in Chrome include regularly updating your passwords, using unique and strong passwords for each website, and keeping your Apple device and Chrome browser up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps, you can easily and securely use iCloud passwords in Chrome, making it easier to manage your online accounts and passwords across all your devices.